Welcome back, Rizalians! I am Janine, your Rizalian campaign hero. Today is the first day of the second semester, kaya samahan niyo ako para kumustahin ang ating mga Rizalians. So guys, kamusta naman ang first day ng second semester?
Almost good naman kasi wala pang masyadong ginagawa.
It was great. Mabait po yung prof namin.
Ano po, masaya po, and as usual po, orientation lang din po yung ginagawa.
Yung first day sa ACAD naman, actually okay lang, masaya since nagkita-kita kami ulit ng mga kaklase ko and then excited sa OJT.
So far okay naman and medyo easy pa yung life since first day wala pa masyadong ginagawa.
Yes, kwentuhan pa lang po with profs, maaga lang talaga bumiyay kasi biglaan yung announcements.
Same lang din po sa kanila. And I'm looking forward on what I will learn this semester.
Ngayon, dahil first day pa lang, so medyo chill pa kami, wala pa masyado. Dahil graduating students nga kami, mali-reveal na lang yan sa sunod na mga araw. So Yusef, how was your first day of the second semester?
Exciting, and I got to meet my new teachers, and I also got to meet my classmates again. So that was fun. Hopefully, I get to meet more new people this semester.
Sama naman natin ang mga naggagandahan at nagwagwapuhang mga nursing students. So guys, kamusta naman ang first day of the second semester para sa inyo?
Masaya, syempre. Masaya po. Kasi po, graduating na po kami, kaya i-push na po namin yung second semester.
Good luck this second semester. Find your inner hero.